Okay guys, so welcome. This is SOni, and in this tutorial I'm gonna pretty much complete HTML. So HTML gets completed, and in some few tutorials CSS would also be get completed. Whatever. Over here, if you want to see, I will tell you what is iframe tag does. Okay, it's pretty nice utility, so have a look. Okay, open. I'm gonna close it over here, and over here. Okay, fine. From over here I'm gonna preview in Firefox. Okay, so see, what is this actually is that first of all I need to open a.html, which is this shit over here. Okay, and over here I'm gonna say this is a.html. This is a.html, simple as that. I'm gonna introduce one image over here. src equals to logo dot jpg. Okay, so, and over alt, if the image is not loaded, then this text would get appeared, which is uh, name of the author. Okay, yeah, so gonna close it over here. Now I first of all need to introduce it, my image, physically over here. Gonna go to my image, uh, this one, and gonna copy it to that location over here. I'm gonna change its name. What its name is logo.jpg. Fine. So now I'm simply gonna refresh it and see. This is iframe. What it does is that it simply embedded a page within a page. So you're getting it. Now if I want to increase it in the size of the box, I would simply, so always remember, if you want to increase size or height of any tag, simply use width and height attribute. So I'm gonna say width to be, say, 32. Okay, gonna refresh it and it becomes so small. Always use emphasis, it's kind of nice thing. Okay, no, emphasis is pretty much not discussed over here. Use percentage. See, percentage, if I want it to be of 50, half of the page, like this. Okay, so you can in that way also use height. So with this, HTML language has been completed. Alright guys, now you know. No, wait a minute, there's one more thing you need to remember. And that's pretty much really very important thing. And what is it? Is table. We do it like this, tb. Okay, uh, wait a bit. Okay, sorry guys, once again, airplanes are flying quite pretty much, quite many airplanes are flying over my head, and because of that I need to pause the video because of their buzzing noise, whatever. So let's make a table. Table is made like this, table, and then creating a table row. Within table row, first table data, and right over here, table data 1. Okay, close it over here. Second table data, add it over here, table data 2. Okay, close it over here, and then make it capital and write of row 1, of row 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna say once again. Okay, write it. Okay, this creating another row and writing over here, table data of row 2. Close it over here, table data of row 2. Close it over here, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna refresh this shit over here. You're gonna see that, first of all, close this shit. Okay, yeah, table gets closed over here, and see there's some problem because this is of different color and this is of different color. What's the problem is, let me see. Actually, seems like some tag has, okay, so let this one be like this, but it's pretty much still the same problem posing over here. So what is the problem? Basically the problem is nothing. See, it's working quite fine. Table data. So I have actually created a table consisting of two rows. First row is this one. Okay, so this is the first data. You can say first cell of the table data of row 1. This ends over here. This is the second cell of the first row table because it's still within the first row. This row ends over here. So now if I write table data of row 2, it will be starting from the second row, and once again it has two cells. Okay, so with this, table has also been completed. Now there is one important topic, form, left it over here, which pretty much we're gonna discuss in the next video. And it's fixed that HTML will be completed in the next video, because really a form tag is the last tag. Okay, so thanks for watching, subscribe, have a nice day.